In this video, I'm going to show you how to offer free shipping on Etsy. From my screen, we're just simply going to click here, the shop manager. After loading on that page, we're just going to click here, the listings. And from that listings, we're just going to click here, the product, which is on my case is the jewelry store. And then scroll down. And you can see here exactly the word delivery. We're in on delivery options. We're just going to click here, the pen button, edit, and you can click here also the shipping. As you can see here, we have here a free delivery. I'm just going to click on that and then scroll down and click here also the free delivery and then hit the apply button and save as delivery profile. And we're going to click the publish changes. And that's about it. That's how to offer free shipping on Etsy. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.